mantra has to be written every day for 108 times, and you can see miraculous benefits that you can earn from this practice. So you can either take a small book like this or a longer notebook like this. Actually, I completed almost 4 to 5 notebooks till now, and what you can do is take a fresh notebook. Then first of all, start writing the date of the day. Then you can, if you take a longer book like this, you can finish 108 times of Om Sai Ram mantra in one page itself. But if you take a smaller book like this, then you will need 2 pages to finish one day's Om Sai Ram. So whichever is convenient for you. So after writing the date, start writing the mantra, and then what you need to be careful is daily fix a time. That time you can write every day, if it is like evening or morning time, whichever time you find comfortable for you, that time you can select, so that it will be a practice, and also you won't forget to write, or before going to bed you can write the mantra. So keep a separate notebook like this and a pen for this practice, and it will only take up to 5 minutes to complete the mantra writing of 108 times, maximum of 5 minutes only, not more than that. So you can allocate time for that very easily. It is not taking that much time. And while writing, please try to write with full devotion and not just doing any other work and not being there when you're writing. So just make sure that you are fully focused when you write, and just tell me in the comment section what you feel after few days or few weeks of writing. Any good changes in your life has happened, so please share with me. Thank you.